Cook. If you open ChatGPT, stare at the blinking cursor and think, what do I even type here? This video is for you. I'm going to give you 5 simple plug-and-play prompts you can copy, paste and use today, even if you have zero experience with AI and feel like you're not technical at all. Value. Prompt 1 is for planning your day. Type. You are my personal assistant. Here is my messy to-do list. Paste. Group similar tasks. Pick 3 priorities that will move my goals forward, and suggest a simple schedule for today with realistic time blocks and short breaks. This instantly turns chaos into a plan. Prompt 2 is for content ideas. Type. You are my content strategist. I create content about the topic for audience. Suggest 20 short video ideas with clear results for the viewer and simple, non-hype language. Now you have a menu of topics instead of a blank page. Prompt 3 is for writing. Type. Help me write a short post or video script about the topic. Use simple, friendly language. Structure it as a strong first line, 3 to 4 clear points, and a call to action to save or comment. You get a draft you can tweak instead of starting from zero. Prompt 4 is for learning. Type. Explain concept to me like I'm a beginner, using real-life examples, no jargon. At the end, ask me 3 questions to check if I understood. Suddenly, complex ideas become digestible. Prompt 5 is for money ideas. Type. Given that I have these skills, suggest 10 simple service ideas where I can use existing AI tools to save time or improve results for other people online. This moves you from passive scrolling to thinking about real offers. CTA. Screenshot or save this video. Test at least 2 of these prompts today. And if you want a bigger starter pack of beginner-friendly prompts in one file, comment, start, and I'll put them together in a dedicated video.